Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you how to make one of my go-to dinners. This is my grandpa's famous carne con chile, which is so simple to make and the taste is like no other. So let's get started. I'm starting off by browning my meat. This is 2 pounds of beef sirloin going into an oiled pan. I'm gonna season this well with some salt and pepper, garlic powder and oregano, and allow this to cook until all of the liquid absorbs and it's fully fried up along the edges. This will usually take about 5 to 10 minutes. Next is going in 1 sliced white onion, and I'm adding a jalapeno with all of its seeds removed. I usually remove the seeds to make this dish mild, but feel free to add them if you like your food spicy. Once the onions have caramelized a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cans of tomato sauce with some more salt, pepper, and oregano to taste. Once this comes up to a boil, I'm gonna be covering the pot and lowering the heat so that this will be simmering for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I wanted to show you how to make this rice, which complements the beef so wonderfully and it's so easy to make. I have here 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to be heating this on a medium-high heat, and I'm adding 1 cup of rinsed and drained jasmine rice. This is going to fry up until it's slightly toasted, and I'm grating in a garlic clove towards the end before I add the water. Once the garlic has slightly sauteed and the rice is slightly browned, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 3/4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and a handful of chopped veggies, either fresh or frozen. Now bring this to a boil and lower the heat to simmer and cover it for about 20 minutes. This carne con chile and rice make the most incredible weekday dinner. Serve it up with some warm tortillas and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on more of my quick and easy recipes, which I upload every other day. See you guys next time.